Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Google account name on PC or your phone. It does matter. So if this video helps you, like, subscribe to the sports channel in case you motivate to make videos just like this. So if you didn't understand something, comment, or need another tutorial, also comment for me to make one. So let's get right started. Enough talking. So open up Google Chrome, new tab, just like this here, and it should look something like this for you. Then what you need to do is at the top right corner, click on your Google account here on the wallpaper. Then should look something like this, and below here will show all your Google accounts. You can select a different account if you want to change it on your Google account, on a different account. Then click on manage your Google account. Then click on personal info, and then click on name, and then click on name, and then you can change your name, John Smith, and then you can simply click on save, and now it's saved. So I hope this video helped you. Like and subscribe to the support channel in case you're motivated.